When it comes to power-to-weight ratios, the KTM 300 SX writes the rulebook. Now with learnings taken directly from the KTM Factory Racing teams, and a care package labeled, "Go Get 'Em," the 2025 KTM 300 SX is engineered for one task alone: to lead from the front. Electronic fuel injection pre-mix gets a remix across the two-stroke KTM SX range, with electronic fuel injection setting the standard. Now there's no more fiddly jetting setup pre-race, and thanks to the Keihin EFI and reed valve case design. The new 300cc two-stroke powerhouse brings a new choice of weapon into the MX Open category and provides more choice for racers looking for maximum power at the least possible weight. Along with low maintenance costs, an overall engine weight of just 23.9 kilograms, the 2025 KTM 300 SX provides pure performance, and then some. The frame area around the rear shock mount has been updated and made more streamlined, with new engine mounts and cutouts for improved chassis flex. The front area of the frame is also updated. Updated suspension settings: the 48mm WPX ACT air forks. For 2025, the KTM SX and SXF range has given the WPX ACT air fork and WPX ACT rear shock an update. Ergonomics: upgraded tank shrouds using bi-compound plastics channel air towards the radiators more efficiently, while a new fuel tank roll makes for a tighter, more secure fitment, reducing the chance of frame scrubbing and dramatically improving durability. All this works alongside the specially developed rider triangle, to provide unmatched knee contact and gripping surfaces, especially when standing on the pegs.